Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days, where I'm doing 31 days of videos all month long. Today I'm doing a really fun collab tag video with my friends Serena and Sabrina. I will leave links to their channels and Instagram and all that down below for you guys. As you can tell, I am all Princess Leia up today. We thought it would be fun to dress up for this video, so I am Princess Leia. Yes, I know the hair doesn't match the outfit, but it's okay. If you're a Star Wars person, you know what I mean. My hair is just not long enough, you guys, to do the whole crown braid situation, so it's the space buns. We're doing the space buns, and it's fine. You'll have to go to Sabrina and Serena's channels to see what they're dressed up as, so I'm not going to spoil the surprise. But today, like I said, we are doing a tag collab. So we come up with this idea to do the 7 deadly sins of crafting, and I think it's so fun and so perfect for this time of year, with it being all creepy and spooky and crafty and all that. So we are going to take the 7 deadly sins, like the traditional ones like pride, gluttony, sloth, those types of things, and talk about how we commit those sins as far as crafting. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first deadly sin of crafting is pride. So that is something that I am the most proud of that I've made. So for me, that would have to be either my December daily album from last year, which I will leave links to everything down below if I've done a video on it for you guys. So it's either December daily from last year. I love my album from last year. I've looked through it multiple times already this year, and I love it still. Like, I just do. I'm so proud of it. But like a current project I'm working on that I'm really proud of is my One Little Word series this year. So I'm doing a whole album on that, and I'm really proud of it. Not so much for the fact of like the crafting aspect of it, but more from like the personal development aspect of it. So I guess it's not really crafting, but I do like, it's an album, so it kind of counts. So the next deadly sin of crafting is greed. And that is like a collection, a tool, product, something on my wish list that I really want that I don't have. So I kind of have a lot of stuff, so it's kind of hard for me to think of something, but I was crafting recently and realized how nice it would be to have like one of those like stamping platform things where you can put the stamp on it and then stamp it multiple times. Like, I would love to have one of those. Yeah, just to like make my stamped images like a bit clearer, because I don't know, I struggle and I feel like they never come out quite as clear as I would like them to be. So if I could like stamp it multiple times, I feel like that would be so amazing. So that's the thing I'm greedy for. So lust is the next deadly sin of crafting. So it's like a collection or an item that you want super badly, but it isn't made anymore. So for me, this is kind of twofold. So the collection that I would love to have like be still in production would be Dear Lizzie Serendipity. Like, I just missed that one. I came into like actual paper crafting like just after it came out and was kind of gone, which makes me so sad, because I feel like a collection is very fun. It's, you know, kind of a more girly thing that I would like actually like. There's not like a ton of florals, but there's little. So I feel like I would really enjoy using that collection now if it were still like widely available and produced. It might be in digital. I don't know. I haven't checked. I have not checked. But something else that I'm kind of lusting after that isn't actually made right now is like next year for Project Life, I would love to do like a 9x12 album, but Studio Calico is the only one that makes albums, or like pretty much I think the only ones that make like the pre-made sheets. Maybe, I don't know, maybe scrapbook.com has them now, I don't know. But I would love for We Are Memory Keepers to make like actual 9x12 albums, because I feel like theirs would be really nice and, you know, fun patterns and stuff. So fingers crossed. So for wrath, which is the next deadly sin of crafting, something that I have a love-hate relationship with, and I feel kind of crappy saying this, but this is all tongue-in-cheek, you guys. Have a love-hate relationship with hauls. With hauls, I said it, I know, I'm terrible. Like, I love a good haul. I do hauls from time to time. I like watching hauls. I love them, but I don't like it when like channels or whatever like only do hauls and then you don't ever see them using their products and stuff. And maybe that's just me. I like to actually see people using the stuff that they haul, and maybe it's because like I'm doing this whole like crafty stash use it up thing this year or whatever, so I'm more aware of like watching hauls and then seeing people like not use their stuff. But yeah, so I like hate to admit it. I feel kind of bad, but yeah, hauls. Love, hate, love, hate. Am I the only one? Let me know down in the comments if I'm the only one, if I'm just the crazy person in this group, okay? All right, so I commit the crafty sin of gluttony too often. So basically that's something that you like have too much of, but you keep buying anyway. And that used to be washi. I used to be that way about washi, but I got so much better about it. But now it's stickers. It's stickers, you guys. I buy way too many stickers. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. I don't know. Like, I just love a good sticker. I can use them on anything. Like, anything, right? You need something fancied up, put a sticker on it. You want to send some happy mail, make it cute on the box, put some stickers on it. Like, I am all about the stickers. I love them. I don't know why. And to be honest, like, I haven't done a ton of buying this year anyway, but I feel like that's the thing that like I always reach for. Like when I went to Michael's for like my Halloween stuff for this year, like I went to the stickers. I don't know why. The next deadly sin of crafting is envy. So that is a crafter that you're envious of and why. So obviously I'm envious of my girls, Sabrina and Serena. So I love Sabrina's crafting because she's super duper creative. She's always coming up with amazing ideas. So if you guys are not following her, link is down below. And I love watching Serena's because of her layering and just her whole aesthetic. I just love it so much. I wish she would do like classes or something on how to do layering and how she does all of her magical things. I would love that. I would love that so much. I think you guys would too. But somebody that I'm not friends with that I envy would probably be like Paige Evans. Like she does like traditional scrapbooking, which I do not do. She's very like, I feel like very girly in her aesthetic, which I am not super, but like I just admire so much like her attention to detail and all of the like interesting bits that she puts on her things and how she uses like multiple shapes or items or whatever like all over her page, and she just makes it look so beautiful. I don't know how she does it. Like I would love to like learn her techniques and like how she does what she does. So yeah, so I think from not my friends, I would have to say Paige Evans. Who would you guys pick? I'm curious. And then the last deadly sin of crafting is sloth. So that's things that you are like super lazy about when it comes to crafting. So for me, it's kind of a few things. So for like actual crafting projects, that is my project life, I'm so freaking behind. It's not even funny. I did January and that's it. It's not good. It's not good, but I hope to catch up before December daily rolls around. So if you're interested in seeing how that all works, so if you're interested in seeing how I can pull that off, if it's possible, I don't know, definitely subscribe so you don't miss that debacle. As far as like, I don't know, like my actual crafty items, I would have to say putting stuff away. Like, and not just like, oh, I'm done with this project, here, let me put it away. No, like I'm good about that. I clean as I go. Like, yeah, that's how I do it. So when people show like their crafter math, like avalanche of like stuff everywhere after they've made a project, that blows my mind because I don't craft like that. No, I'm talking about like at the end of the month after I've done my like empties and like things I still have left over, like putting that stuff away. I don't like that. I put that off as long as possible. I don't know why. It's just it's kind of sad to be putting things away, and then it's like kind of annoying because I feel like I already did some work like pulling it out, now to like put it away. Yeah, I'm kind of lazy about that. And then as far as like YouTube-y crafty things, editing. Editing I am lazy about. Like I just want to get it done. So if there's any like wonky editing, it's because #lazy. I just want to get it done and up for you guys. So I know that's terrible and I'm really sorry if my editing bothers you. I feel like it's good enough and like I don't have to be perfect at every single thing. And I think you guys like understand that and forgive me for that, you know, because it's like progress is progress. I'm getting the videos up. If there's little glitches here or there in the editing, it's not the end of the world. You guys are amazing. I'm sure you don't mind and you can forgive me. right? Right. Okay, so that is it for the 7 deadly sins of crafting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you do the tag too. I would totally love to know how you guys commit the 7 deadly sins of crafting. I think that would be so much fun. Definitely make sure to check out Serena and Sabrina's channels down below to see their answers and their fun costumes. And that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!